Mendeleev's periodic law. And periodic table. Mendeleev was the first scientist to arrange all the known elements at that time in the tabular form. He makes a table in which vertical column and horizontal column, We already read about this in class 10. Vertical column is known as, this is vertical column, and it is known as group, and horizontal column is known as periods. So, what is Mendeleev's periodic law? I'll first write down the definition. What is Mendeleev's periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of element are periodic function of their atomic mass. Periodic function means the properties of elements are repeated after a certain value of atomic mass. Periodic functions means properties of elements are repeated after a regular interval of time or certain value of atomic mass. So, this is the Mendeleev's periodic law. This is known as Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law stated that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic mass. The word periodic function means repetition of properties takes place at a certain interval of time when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. What are the characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table? Characteristic of Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 1. Mendeleev's periodic table was divided into seven horizontal columns rows, or we call it periods, and 8 vertical column, which is called group. Further, one more group that is zero group. It is modified predictable of Mendeleev's, in which zero group was added after the discovery of noble gases. This form is known as modified form of Mendeleev's periodic table. Next, each group was further divided into two subgroups. That is A and B. Subgroup A contain normal elements mostly S and P block element. And subgroup B contain transition element. D block elements. D block elements. And the last point is 8th group of Mendeleev's periodic table collectively had three elements. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel. Iron, cobalt and nickel. And these are the transition elements. Now, in next class, we will study about the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Merits or demerits. We will discuss merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Hello students. In the previous video, we have discussed about the historical approach of periodic table, in which we studied about the different scientists like Newland's law of octaves, Dobonius-Strides, Lothar Meyer, Mendeleev's also. So continuing the topic Mendeleev's periodic table, today we will discuss about the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Write down the points. Collective study of what are the merits. Collective study of all the elements, all the known elements was made possible by Mendel's periodic table. In which elements with similar property were placed in similar group and it was easy to predict and compare their properties. Means prediction of new element. Next. Prediction of new element. He predicted the properties of some elements which were not discovered at that time. And also left some gap in his periodic table. For example, when Eka aluminium he named gallium. He named Eka silicon after the discovery of germanium, take the place of Eka silicon. Eka boron named scandium. So on, Eka magnus symbol Tc. In this way, he predicted the property of undiscovered element in his periodic table. Next, determination of correct atomic weight or correction of atomic weight. Before Mendeleev's the atomic mass of beryllium was 13.5 and their valency was 3. It was Mendeleev to correct the atomic mass as well as valency of beryllium because he arranged all the elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. So beryllium does not show the property of the group in which he take their position. So Mendeleev corrected the atomic mass and valency of beryllium. After that, after correction, Mendeleev show the relation atomic weight equal to valency into equivalent weight. On this basis, Mendeleev corrected the atomic mass of beryllium. It comes 9 and the valency comes 2. It is the atomic weight and it is the valency. So in this way, Mendeleev corrected the atomic weight of few elements. Now, defects of Mendeleev's. Or demerits of Mendeleev's. Now, demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. First demerits about the position of hydrogen. Position of hydrogen. It can be placed in first as well as in group 7 as it resembles with alkali metal of group 1A and halogen group of 7A. So portion of hydrogen was not clearly explained by the Mendeleev's. Next demerit was position of isotopes. As we know, isotopes are the species in which atomic numbers are same and mass numbers are different. So the Mendeleev arranged all the known elements on the increasing order of atomic mass. So position of isotopes must be there, but there was no any position given in his periodic table, position of isotopes. Next, anomalous pair of element. Certain elements higher atomic weight place those with lower atomic weight. For example, iodine atomic number 127 and tellurium atomic number 128. So he was placed iodine after tellurium. So in this demerits, a new scientist H.G. Moseley in 1903 proposed a new periodic table which was known as modern periodic table, and it was based on atomic number instead of atomic mass. Modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. In 1913, scientist Henry Moseley proposed a atomic number is more fundamental property of element than its weight. He was proposed that atomic number is a more fundamental property of an element than its atomic weight. So, modern periodic table was prepared on the basis of atomic number, and he said that the physical and chemical properties of the element are periodic function of their atomic number. Means when he was arranging all the elements in the increasing order of their atomic number, so the repetition of property takes place at a regular interval of times. That is, we can write in this form also, means if the element are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, the elements with similar property are repeated after regular interval. When the new modern periodic table published, all the anomalies of Mendel's were disappeared. Now see, in the modern periodic table, we will discuss in next video in details how many periods and groups and arrangement of all the elements.